horses out talaga. Past the begin, moving up, Gigin. Hawari outside, Quakers Intensity, Wabi Sabi, Kashmir. Then followed over by Tibay ng Loob and I Am on Fire is the early trailer, Gigin Hawa. In between horses is Wabi Sabi, Kashmira. Then followed over by Quakers Intensity. Tibay ng Loob, I Am on Fire, running by Drel talaga. And Brave Lord K is the early trailer. We have Gigin Hawa by about 2 lengths now. Kashmira in second, moving a party out. So now is Tibay ng Loob. Wabi Sabi is racing in fourth. Then followed by Quakers Intensity now in fifth. Talaga, I Am on Fire. And Brave Lord K still racing in last. And that's still Gigin Hawa by about line ganahapa. Tibay ng Loob still in second. Kashmir in third. Wabi Sabi in fourth. Then followed over by Quakers Intensity. I Am on Fire talaga. Brave Lord K. And that's still Gigin Hawa. Tibay ng Loob in second. And in third Wabi Sabi, Kashmir. But it's still Gigin Hawa. Tibay ng Loob in second, Wabi Sabi in third, and comes Kashmira. But it's still Gigin Hawa by about 4 lengths now. Tibay ng Loob, Kashmira, Wabi Sabi. Last 50 meters, and it's still Gigin Hawa. Tekchua, Gigin Hawa. Tibay ng Loob, then comes number 3.